Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact account that currently has access. You need credentials and the platform name. Once signed in, go straight to Account or Link Services. Do not wander menus. You do this because linked devices and platform tokens live there, and removing access begins at the source. Make sure to note which platform is active, then proceed to manage connections so you can revoke the specific access you no longer want. Now revoke the link. Choose the platform listed and hit Unlink or Revoke. This severs tokens immediately. Once done, remove any third-party apps and sign out of all active sessions to clear cached authorizations. Then change your password to make sure previously authorized devices cannot re-authenticate. You do these steps together because unlinking without a password reset can leave session tokens usable. Doing both ensures access is terminated and prevents automatic relinking. Finish by confirming the platform no longer appears under linked accounts and try signing in from that platform to verify access is gone. Once confirmed, clear local saved data or uninstall the app to remove residual credentials from the device. If something goes wrong, contact Efootball or Konami support with your account ID and a brief description. They can force unlink. One troubleshooting tip: if unlink fails, wait 5 to 10 minutes and retry after a password reset, because server-side caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.